VKTX looks like it's up about 4.9%, almost 5% in the after hours. Do they have earnings today? It looks like they had earnings today, so that's a pretty hot one. And let's see. Does look like, just from a quick glance, looks like it's double top. But going up in the after hours to 25.68. This could be a type of scenario like what we saw with Baba. And sorry, excuse the lines here. I'm going to remove them for a second. They had earnings, today as well. And we did see this pop. Did look like a little bit of a breakout, but then a pullback. And so what I could see with this is that, if it opens up, 25.68 current price in the after hours, that is, lower than this high over here. That's creating, I guess this is a triple top. But if I switch this over to the weekly, maybe I could switch it over to the monthly, make it a double top. Yeah, this, I guess that bridged between May and June. So yeah, I think that this could be forming a double top, or, just topping, because it needs to get above this level with strength. And do we have any previous high? Now, this is all-time highs, so we want to see it moving forward with strength. And so if we look at this in the 4 hour, just to take a quick second, the high is 25.78. What was the high back here? 25.72. So it's a little bit higher than that. But yeah, I could see this being a, I could see this topping. I did just put out a video on something showing topping signals. Double top. That was, here, I'm just going to check it on my phone here. What video was that? Let's see. Showing a double top. Oh, that was plug power. So that might be a good comparison. We'll see what's going on with plug. I didn't see what happened with plug today. But where's plug at? Plug is red on the day, down 6%. Did get a double top form there. So, I do think it's possible that this does get back up to $5, but that might, the strength, the volume is dying down with this. So with VKTX, this is Viking Therapeutics, is that right? Let's see. Yeah, Viking Therapeutics. This could be a sell the top, sell the news, sell the results type of scenario. Maybe we could look at the, let's see, the, here. As of right now, we might be putting in a higher high. If it does open, 25.70 in the after hours. We do get it opening higher, the RSI from these highs. Let's see. Do we have here? We have, I don't see any bearish, let's see. Here, yes, this is bearish divergence, what we have right here. We see higher highs going in, and also we've got this really nice channel too. That's pretty cool. We can see from this day to here, we got this nice channel going there, putting in higher highs, so seems nice. But with this, we have higher highs in the price, but with the RSI, we have lower highs. So I'll just draw a trend line on that so we can see it a little clearer. With that, this is bearish divergence. And so I would think that this is a really good time if you have a position and you're up. I don't have a position. If I had a position, I should phrase it like that, I suppose, I would trim at least and or take profits because this is a double top. It's not up hugely compared to, it's not up relative to the high over here. So this to me is a double top, or I guess you could say a triple top signal, bearish divergence. If we look at the Fibonacci retracement from the low here at 828, get that lined up just right, to the high of 25.24. Right there, okay. I could see this pulling back to the 236 at a price of 21.24, or perhaps more realistically, I could definitely see the 382 at a price of $18.76. See this volume shelf there because we have this consolidation over here. That consolidation a little bit more robust than the consolidation we see over here. With this little volume lip, we got a nice shelf here. So I think that returning to $18.76 or $19 seems feasible. Coming down to the 50% retracement, I don't see much consolidation there. We don't have much of a volume profile there, and we do have this gap to the downside. Let's see, that is at a price of the high of the day, 1310. And so that right there is a level that price might be going to. I like to make my gaps blue. And so coming down to the 618, maybe a wick down to 1310, but coming down to the 618 would be at a price of $14.76, right around 15 bucks. So yeah, I mean, I don't have a position in this. I'm not shorting it, buying puts, anything like that. But if I did have a position, I'd be taking profits. And yeah, so we'll have to see what happens tomorrow. But yeah, I think that the top is in with this bearish divergence. I mean, you just got to stack up these signs. Bearish divergence here, double or triple top here, not getting much strength going into that. Let's look at the volume here. Volume has been going down as the price goes higher, so that makes me think that there's less buying pressure at these levels, and so eventually it's going to get exhausted and collapse. People are going to take profits at this double top signal with bearish divergence and seeing this gap to the downside at 1310. I don't necessarily know that that's going to be filled, but I could definitely see the 618, which I believe is statistically significant as far as retracements go. They tend to come back to the 618, whether that's to the upside or the downside. And so that here is at a price of $14.76. I'd say, what I'm going to do, I will put an alert at $15. I think that it's going to be coming down to there at some point. Might be a couple months from now. But I'm going to put an alert there. Maybe I change the alert by the time that happens. But those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.